Hello, today we're looking at Linux Mint 18.2 XFCE Beta. As you can see, the login screen app has changed to Light MD, I think is how you say it, and it's also what Ubuntu has been using for a long time now, and this background will change to your background of the user. It's quite cool. So let's type in the password and go. It was released yesterday on the 12th of June, and as you can see, we have greeted with the familiar welcome screen. I will not look into each one of these things because I've already checked it out. It's all basically what we all are familiar with, and I'm just going to waste your time and my time running through things which we all already know. But if you want to have a look at each one of these, please look in the description of this video. You will find the link to my other video on my other channel where I click on everything, but only with background music and not with voiceovers. So let's close this and continue. As you can see, on the desktop is your home folder, and this is Funer 1.6.11. All familiar stuff, beautiful, easy to understand. And if you right click on your desktop, open window, you can create a launcher here, or you can just go to settings, let's go to internet, and create a launcher like this also, or to panels. So that's just another option. You can make a URL link to, let's say, to your mail, and type in here www.gmail.com, put like mail or Gmail or anything, and put the icon here. It's quite cool. And if you click on icons, then you just go here to all icons and type in basically any word and see what's going to pop up. So it's quite cool. You can create a folder, you can create an empty file, you can open it up in terminal. Let's do that and check out the kernel version. It's 4.8. It's quite cool, very stable. You can open up as root your file system. It gives you superpower, but even in your main file system. But remember, you can break your system if you don't know what you are doing. So be careful, or rather don't do it if you are not familiar with the Linux file system. You can create a link to your desktop or wherever and move it around on your computer. You can search in your current directory, in your whole computer, in your administration, in your own user account. It's quite cool. You can arrange desktop icons, desktop settings. Here's all the wallpapers of Linux Mint 18 series, that is including Sarah, Serena, and now Sonia. And here you can change your icon size and all this cool stuff, because they are awesome. And properties, here you can check it all out. Yeah, so let's go to the panel now. Here's our little calendar, updates. You can choose either of these three options. You can install this update if you want to. Type in your password like a machine. You can switch to a local mirror if the current mirror is too slow for you. It's fine with me, but you can switch it. It's quite easy. And if you continue, you will see your sound and recording volumes. You can configure it there, and also go to sound settings. Yes, our internet and Wi-Fi will be there. If you click on the panel, it is XFCE panel 4.12, and you can add some, you can log out, you can get the app online, you can configure your panel, You can add panels. And you can add new items, like you can add a system load monitor and see what's happening. I'm running this in VirtualBox with 2 GB of RAM and a 1 core i5 processor. It's going crazy now because it's updating the kernel. So that's okay. And here's some more settings. You can remove some of the stuff if you want to, and you can add things also, as we saw before when we added this Firefox Arc link on the desktop. And this is a show desktop button, familiar stuff. And here's our menu. You can make it bigger, you can make it small, you can go crazy. And all is quite a lot of things pre-installed. This is a fresh install, so it should be just like yours. If you can install it. Internet, multimedia, office, system settings, quite a lot. And you can also see your system settings here. Once again, I'm not gonna go into the system settings really here on this video, just to make it nice and short, just give you my overall feeling of this system. But if you want to look at each one of them, please look in the description of this video. You will find the link to my other video where I click on every single thing, once again only with background music. And then so basically settings, system, and here's the system settings again, and you can lock your screen, you can switch to different users. I don't have more than one user on this computer, so that's why it's not active. And you can log out, restart, shut down, suspend and hibernate, or save session for future logins. It's awesome. So that's basically my look at XFCE Linux Mint 18.2, and I love it. I think it's very stable, I think it's very easy to understand, very familiar. The guys have done a great job, and this is only the beta version. Can't wait to see the stable version.